Welcome to Beast Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
To compute your total on Excel, you have to take cognizance of these two things. Firstly, the alphabets and then the numbers on the left hand side. Each of these cells derive their names from a combination of these alphabets and numbers. For instance, this cell where 5 is written on derives its name from B and 3. What this means is that when you draw a line from this 5 upwards, you are going to meet it at B, and then when you draw a line from 5 towards your left, you are going to meet it at 3. So this particular cell where 5 is written is called cell B3, while this is called cell C3. So the alphabet comes first, followed by the number. Okay, with that said, then we go straight to the point. So to compute our total, the function we are going to make use of is what we call sum. So on Excel, what you do is to first press equal sign. Whatever computation you want to do on Excel, you have to make use of equal sign. You have to start with equal sign first. So this shows the Excel that we are about to do a computation. So this equal sign gets it ready for computation. So we press equal sum, SUM, then we open bracket. We are telling it to sum up these figures from 5 to 9. That is for Emeka, the first person there. We are telling it to sum up 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9. So since we are summing up from 5 to 9, we are going to press B3. Then colon H3. What this simply means is we are telling the Excel to sum from B3 to H3. That is from 5 to 9. Then we close the bracket and press enter. With this, Excel has already run an automatic summation of these figures from 5 to 9. That is 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9, which is 33. So we can as well do it for the second person, Emma, but that would be a huge task if you have a lot of work to do. So instead of doing that, Excel has made it easier for you to duplicate or replicate this same formula that you have here on other ones. So what you're going to do is to move your cursor towards the edge of this box, of this cell rather, where you see a node. So when you move your cursor towards this node, on top of this node, notice the cursor changing. So once it changes to black cross like this, then you click and drag downwards for it to effect this formula or functions on the other cells. So with this, we have achieved the total of other people like Emeka, Chioma, Ike, Ugo, and Ekene. So this is how you achieve your total on the left hand side to calculate total of figures horizontally. Then, but to calculate total for figures vertically, that is, for instance, to calculate the sum total, or rather the grand total of the whole contestants. So what we are going to do is to still use the same format. First of all, press equal sign, sum, sum, open bracket. Now we are entering I3 because we want to sum up from 33 down to 25, from this, and this. So what we are going to enter here is I3 colon I8, I3 to I8. Then we close the bracket and press enter. So the sum of 33, 14, 35, 22, 32, 25 is equal to 161. We can as well do that for under computer to get the total of computer, or do it for art to get the total for art. But since we have already done it here, there's no need wasting much time. So what we are going to do is to click and drag this particular one to replicate the same formula on other ones. So we direct our cursor towards the edge of the box, rather, then we click and drag towards our left to replicate this formula on the other cells. So this is how you attain that. So for instance, for English, 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 36. So that is how you do a sum on Excel. That is how you calculate, or rather you impute formula for sum on Excel. Thank you.